Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you guys can draw neat shapes on your notes app. So I'm just going to grab this brush tool really quick, and you can choose whatever brush you like, I think. So let's try this one, and I'm going to select this color. And then, for instance, you want to draw a star. So draw a star, but hold it, and then it'll create this really neat shape. Again, same with the circle. You're just going to want to hold it in place, and it'll create this really neat shape. And it's going to do that for all the shapes that you hold, for like most of it, I guess. It also works for a heart shape. And if you want like an oval shape, you can also do that. As you can see, like a rectangle too, it'll be neat. I am not sure about like other shapes. Oh, it does work for a pentagon. I'm not sure about a hexagon. But as you can see, these shapes are very neat and clean if you just hold it after you've drawn it. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!